Tesla might enter the Indian market with its most affordable model in 2024.
Tesla's plan to invest in India has hit a major roadblock.
Now, this is not the first time Tesla has tried to enter the Indian market. But last year, the discussions between the US automaker and the Indian government hit a roadblock.
Elon Musk has stopped all contact with Indian officials, and it seems like Tesla's entry into the Indian market is on hold. This surprising turn of events has left many wondering what happened and what it means for the future of electric vehicles in India. Today, we'll dive into the reasons behind Tesla's pullback, the current state of India's EV market, and what the Indian government is doing in response. We'll also explore the potential benefits Tesla could have brought and what might happen next. Finally, we'll take a look at how Indian automakers are stepping up in Tesla's absence. Background: Tesla is known worldwide for its electric cars and innovative technology. Over the past decade, there has been a lot of talk about Tesla coming to India. People have been excited, thinking that Tesla's cars would soon be on Indian roads. There were even reports that Tesla set up an office in Pune and started testing some of their cars in India. However, despite all this buzz, nothing official ever happened. India is a huge market with a growing interest in electric vehicles. The government has been trying to promote electric cars to reduce pollution and reliance on fossil fuels. With its cutting-edge technology and popular electric cars, Tesla seemed like the perfect fit for this push towards greener transportation. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, had shown interest in entering the Indian market. Talks had been ongoing, and there was hope that Tesla would soon start its operations in India.
Now Tesla is on a bumpy road. It has just reported its worst results in years, and that has cast a shadow on its India plans.
But now things have taken a different turn. Recent developments. Recently, there has been a major shift in Tesla's plans for India. In late April 2024, Elon Musk was supposed to visit India and meet with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This visit was highly anticipated, as it was expected to solidify Tesla's investment in the country. However, Musk canceled the visit due to pressing issues at Tesla, and since then, there has been no further contact between Tesla's team and Indian officials. So what is the main reason why Tesla has canceled its plan for investment in India? People familiar with the matter have said that Tesla seems to be dealing with capital issues, which might be why they are not moving forward with new investments in India. This has left Indian officials and the public disappointed, as there were high hopes for Tesla's entry into the market. Tesla has been facing several challenges globally. The company reported a second consecutive drop in quarterly vehicle deliveries and is dealing with increasing competition from other electric car makers. In April, Tesla also announced major staff reductions. The Cybertruck, Tesla's first new model in years, has been slow to ramp up, and the construction of a new plant in Mexico has been delayed. These global challenges likely influenced Tesla's decision to pause its plans in India. The company might be focusing on stabilizing its operations elsewhere before taking on new markets. Despite the setback, the Indian government is still open to future discussions with Tesla. However, for now, India will have to rely on its domestic automakers like Tata Motors and Mahindra to drive the growth of electric vehicles in the country. India's EV market. India's electric vehicle, EV, market is still in its early stages. Last year, battery-powered cars made up just 1.3% of the total car market. While there is a growing interest in EVs, several challenges are holding back widespread adoption. The high upfront cost of electric cars is one major issue. Many people find it hard to justify the higher price compared to traditional gasoline cars. Another big hurdle is the lack of charging stations. Without enough places to charge their cars, potential buyers are hesitant to make the switch to electric. The convenience of refueling a petrol or diesel car at numerous stations makes it difficult for EVs to compete. Despite these challenges, there is a lot of potential for growth in India's EV market. The government has been pushing for cleaner, greener transportation options, and more people are becoming aware of the environmental benefits of electric cars. Companies like Tata Motors and Mahindra are starting to develop and sell electric vehicles, slowly increasing their presence on Indian roads. With the right support and infrastructure, India's EV market could see significant growth in the coming years. Indian government's response. The Indian government has been eager to attract Tesla and other foreign car makers to boost the EV market. They have introduced several policies and incentives to make it easier for these companies to enter the Indian market. One significant step was reducing the import taxes on electric vehicles. For foreign car makers willing to invest at least 41.5 billion Indian rupees, which is about $497 million, and start EV production in India within 3 years, the import tax on EVs was lowered. The government set certain conditions for these incentives. Companies must establish a local manufacturing unit within 3 years and start sourcing a portion of their components from Indian suppliers. Initially, they need to source 25% locally, increasing to 50% within 5 years. These measures are aimed at boosting local production and creating jobs while encouraging foreign investment. While Tesla's withdrawal is a setback, the Indian government remains hopeful. They believe that with the right policies and support, the domestic EV industry can thrive. If Tesla decides to re-engage in the future, they would still be welcome under the new import tax policy. Potential benefits of Tesla in India. Despite the setback, Tesla's investment in India could have brought numerous benefits. For one, Tesla's advanced technology and popular electric cars could have significantly boosted the Indian EV market. Their entry would likely have sparked increased interest and adoption of electric vehicles among Indian consumers. Tesla's supercharger network is another major advantage. India's current charging infrastructure is quite limited, and Tesla's superchargers could have helped solve this problem. By setting up their charging stations, Tesla would have made it easier for EV owners to charge their cars, encouraging more people to switch to electric. Additionally, Tesla's presence in India would have created job opportunities and boosted the local economy. Establishing a manufacturing unit and sourcing components locally would have provided a significant boost to local industries and suppliers. Moreover, Tesla's innovative approach and advanced technology could have set a new standard for the Indian automotive market. Other automakers would have been pushed to improve their offerings, leading to better quality and more affordable EV options for consumers. In summary, while Tesla's decision to pull back is a setback, its potential benefits for India were substantial. Hopefully, in the future, Tesla might reconsider and bring these advantages to the Indian market. Speculations and future possibilities. With Tesla pulling back, there are many speculations about what might happen next. Some believe that once Tesla stabilizes its global operations, it might re-engage with India. The Indian market is too large and promising for Tesla to ignore forever. Once the company sorts out its production issues and ramps up the Cybertruck, a renewed focus on India could be on the cards. Others speculate that Tesla might be waiting for even more favorable terms from the Indian government. If India continues to improve its infrastructure and offers better incentives, it might lure Tesla back. The government's push to lower import taxes and promote local manufacturing could eventually create an environment where Tesla finds it viable to invest. There's also the possibility that Tesla is carefully watching how Indian automakers like Tata Motors and Mahindra perform. If these companies succeed in capturing a significant market share, Tesla might decide to enter with a more aggressive strategy to compete. For now, it's all speculation, but the potential for future collaboration remains. If and when Tesla decides to come back, it could have a transformative impact on India's EV market, making electric cars more mainstream and accessible to a wider audience. Competition from Indian automakers. Without Tesla, Indian automakers like Tata Motors and Mahindra are leading the EV market. Tata Motors is at the top, selling around 59,580 EVs in 2023 and holding a 71.47% market share by April 2024. Their popular models like the Nexon EV, Tigor EV, and Tiago EV have made them a favorite among Indian buyers. MG Motor India is in second place with an 11.51% market share, selling 9,430 units in 2023. The ZS EV and Comet EV are key to their success. Mahindra, a big name in Indian auto, secured an 8.81% market share, selling 4,201 units in 2023. Their XUV 400 is particularly popular. Other players include BYD, with a 2.43% market share from selling 1,997 units in 2023. Citroën and Hyundai also have a presence, with Citroën selling 1,938 units and Hyundai selling 1,597 units in 2023. These Indian companies understand what local customers need. They focus on making affordable, practical EVs that appeal to the price-sensitive Indian market. While Tesla could have been a big player, these local automakers are filling the gap well. They're driving the EV trend in India, making electric cars more popular and accessible. The competition among them is pushing innovation, giving consumers more options, and shaping the future of India's EV market. Tesla's decision to pull back from its investment in India is a significant development with many implications. While it's a setback for those hoping to see Tesla's cutting-edge cars on Indian roads soon, it also highlights the growing strength of Indian automakers in the EV space. If you found this discussion interesting, please like and subscribe for more updates on the world of business and tech. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the latest developments and trends in the industry. Thanks for watching.